Blounter class multi-axis manipulator control system operation teaching. Instruction and explanation of the pickup procedure. Click on the file. Create a new file name and load a new mold. Switch to manual page. Enter the instruct page. We can see the content display bar of the program settings. Action main menu. Common buttons for adjusting program lines. The edit buttons also include 7 buttons for adjusting program lines. Next, we will gradually deepen our understanding of these option buttons by explaining examples of program settings. Firstly, explain a Y1 axis standard picking procedure. There are a total of 6 starting points here. The first step is a standby position for the manipulator. There are 2 standby positions for the manipulator. One is vertical posture. One is horizontal posture. We choose based on actual needs. How to set horizontal standby? Click on the first line of the program. Then click on Modify. There are 2 options inside, vertical and horizontal. Check the horizontal. OK. Complete the setting of horizontal standby mode. We can see that the starting points Y1 and Y2 of the program are both set to standby at 0 position by default. X1, X2, and Z will not be in 0 standby mode, so we need to do point modify. Assuming X1 standby position is at 100 and X2 is at 60, the standby position of Z is directly determined by whether our arm is aligned with the center of the mold after we lower it. Assuming our mold center is 10 mm from the Z position, edit Z to 10 mm, or click on the top left corner to set in. Read the calibrated actual position into the program line. Click OK. So we have completed the modify of the standby position. Next, we see the following program line. Wait. Mold opened, limit time. This limit time is set in our product settings. The limit time must be greater than the injection molding cycle time. If the limit time is less than the injection molding cycle, the manipulator will sound an alarm. After the manipulator waits for the mold to be opened, the arm needs to move and descend. We have arrived at the option box on the right. Click to select axis action. Assuming that the Y1 axis needs to descend 500 positions with a speed of 50 and a delay time of 0.2. Click to insert. X1 axis needs to move forward. Assuming X1 position 50, speed 80, no delay time required. Click to insert. The arm can move forward and descend. Next, it is necessary to insert the fixture action. Click menu fixture. Assuming clip 1 on and sucker 1 on. Edit insert. Then click on the cop. Run 2 fixture actions synchronously. The same step sequence number indicates simultaneous actions. After the fixture completes the action, the arm needs to move up. Click axis action. Set Y1 position 0. Next, it is necessary to insert a detection signal for detection. Click menu detect. Assuming clip 1 detect and sucker 1 detect. Edit insert. Click cop to synchronize the detection signal. After the inspection is completed, the manipulator needs to provide a signal for the injection molding machine to close the mold. Click menu IMM signal. Insertion of mold close N with a delay of 0. This is the lock mode signal. Next, set the manipulator axis action. Assuming Z moves 1200 and has a speed of 80. Edit insert. At this point, the manipulator has moved outside the mold and needs to be lowered to place the product. Assuming Y1 position is 600 and speed is 50. Before releasing the product, the testing needs to be completed first. Insert clip 1 detect closed, sucker 1 detect closed. Cop. Next, set the fixture action to disconnect. Insert clip 1 off, sucker 1 off. Cop. The above is the program setting for completing product placement. After the product is released, the manipulator is reset. Set the position of axis action Y1 to 0. Mold end. A Y1 axis standard pickup program has been set up. Assuming that 2 manipulators need to be set up for separate pickup and use, we need to add actions for Y2 and X2 here. Select axis action. Set Y2 position to 500, speed to 50, insert. Cop the actions of Y1 and Y2. Next, set X2 action 20 and insert. Cop the actions of X1 and X2. If no combination action is required, we can click to Department, Cancel Cop. Next, set the new fixture action. Assuming the fixture action is clip 3. Select fixture. Edit insert clip 3 on. Synchronize the action of the combination fixture. Fixture action completed, arm raised and reset. Select axis action. Set Y2 position to 0. Cop Y1 and Y2 actions. Next, add detection signals. Insert clip 3 detect, synchronize detection signal. Next, we need to set Y1 and Y2 to be placed separately as products. Assuming Y2 reaches 1000, place the product. Set Z position 1000, insert. Next, set the Y2 position to descend to 200 and insert it. At this point, fixture 3 of Y2 needs to end the inspection and disconnect the signal. Insert clip 3 detect close. Insert clip 3 off. After the product is placed, Y2 needs to rise. Set Y2 position 0. At this point, the picking action of arm Y2 has been completed. Next is the picking action of Y1 arm. This is the program setting for the movements of the two arms. Assuming that we add the Y1 arm to the process of picking up products from outside the mold and placing them inside the mold, based on the action of taking parts with both arms, the position of starting point Z will not be at 0. We need to modify the position of the starting point Z. Assuming the position of Z is 1300, edit OK. Next, we need to set up the program for retrieving parts outside the mold. Insert Y1 position for 100, then insert the sucker to on. Absorbing products. Y1 position rises to 0. Insertion sucker to detect. At this point, Y1 part retrieval is completed and reset to the standby point above the injection molding machine. Assuming standby point Z is 20. Insert. The above is the completion of the program settings for external component retrieval. Next, set up the program for placing products inside the mold. After the mold is opened, the manipulator completes the pickup process first. Next, set Y1 position to 400 and X1 position to 100. Then insert sucker to detect close. Sucker to off. Product placement completed. Manipulator reset. Assuming X1 retreats to 80. Next, Y1 and Y2 will rise safely. Complete the process of taking parts from inside the mold with both arms and placing them outside the mold.